Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start with our new chapter, that is the Indus Valley Civilization. This chapter is on page number 11 and this is part 1 of the chapter. So let's get started. Let's see the introduction first. It states that about 5,000 years ago, Indus Valley Civilization existed near the river banks of Indus, also known as Harappa civilization, and Harappa is in Sahiwal, Punjab, and Mohenjo-daro is in Sindh. Its traces were found near these river banks, plus another civilization traces were also found named as Mehergarh, which is in Balochistan. The Indus Valley Civilization became the center of the fame between 2600 and 1300 BCE, which stands for before the Common Era. The river Indus is said to be one of the largest rivers, which starts flowing from the mountains in north of the modern day Pakistan till south into the Arabian Sea. It is a good source of pure drinking water, fertile soil, smooth transport, and agriculture. These features were not common enough to gain attention as other rivers such as Nile, Euphrates, and Yangtze were also rising gradually. The Sumerian culture came to being in 1890s of Mesopotamia, while the civilization of China took place in 1970s. This map is available in your book on page number 11 and it is showing the Indus Valley civilization sites. It is denoting the major sites with this maroonish block that is here. This maroonish block is showing the major sites that are which are Mohenjo-daro, Mehergarh, Harappa and Lothal. All these maroonish blocks are showing the major sites of Indus Valley civilization, while these black blocks are showing the other towns. While the other towns are not named here, but they are located where these black blocks are made. As these you can see these black blocks here. These are showing the other towns, while these arrows are showing the main trade routes, that is from Arabian Sea to South India and to Afghanistan to Persia and Mesopotamia. All these arrows are showing these trade routes, right? And this is the line that is denoting it here, the dotted line, is showing the dried up river of Saraswati, that is here below the Sutlej, as it is shown in the map. Our next heading for today is Harappan civilization. It states that Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were said to be the centers of ancient civilization, and they were known to others when the archaeologists discovered their sites. Not even their sites only, but buildings, tools, articrafts, jewelry and sculptures. Their culture defined when the use of bronze, copper, quartz for casting vessels, statutes, making of variety of knives, fish hooks, arrowheads, saws, chisels, pins and bangles were like normalized, right? And the people back then were very skillful. The use of irrigation techniques and storage of extra food that made their living valuable was made by them, and all these things were stored in the storehouses. Very large storehouses were made for the storage of the extra crops, while cotton was also used as a cash crop in those times. We'll continue with the remaining chapter in the next part, inshallah. I hope it will be beneficial for you, but try to read the book, read the chapter thoroughly once or twice so that you can understand the explanation that is in the video. Try to refer the explanation and compare the explanation that is given in your book and that is given in this video. I hope it will be beneficial for you. We will continue with the other part, the chapter in the next video, inshallah. Till then, thank you. Allah Hafiz.